and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the airwalk glitch and also the full cancel, also a double jump in Tomb Raider Legend. So we'll start off with a full cancel. So this is in speedruns. This is used in England to like avoid this fall here, and you know, going down the stairs a bit slow. So what you do is you jump like over like this. And then
you made it down safely.
So am I.
That doesn't
but I didn't really do it. You're supposed to grab the thing up there, but I didn't do it. But anyway, so basically how you do it is you jump off of something. So I'm just going to jump off of this. And then just before you land,
So am I.
that doesn't
so just before you land, guys, you press grapple. I mean, you press like whatever button you have mapped to switch weapons, and then you press grapple. I set the switch weapons button to my scroll wheel. You can do whatever you want really. But the default button is end. But anyway, so what I swear you like jump up here and then grab this, and that's what they do in the speedrun. And then they get the airwalk off this. But anyway, so that's the full cancel. So the full cancel, you just press. So you just jump off something really high, then you switch weapons and then press grapple just as she's like about to fall. When I'm editing. So when I'm editing, guys, I'll put it in slow motion and then, yeah, I'll like tell you when to press it. Anyway, so the next glitch is the double jump. So I'm just gonna replay level. Over, continue, because. So.
I've been looking for certain artifacts. Well, for some time.
So basically, oh god,
And an old friend working in the powers has tipped me off about a rather
how's my game been
promising
lagging?
What sort of artifacts?
an ornate stone dais, among other
Okay,
things.
A big rock, and she won't say
so
why.
basically,
Oh,
there's
well.
actually two
Where would the
methods of
suspense
doing
be
this.
otherwise?
So I'm just gonna go up here to do it. Oh, that didn't work. I can't even do this anymore. Oh well, I got to check my. Anyway, so the airwalk. So basically, how you do it is, so you see this stumble animation. So this stumble animation, but you want Lara to get her guns out at the same time, like this, and then you can go up here and then do whatever speedrun stuff you need to do. Wait. I'm actually gonna load a different save. This one. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this, and then yeah. So basically, you gotta do that stumble animation and get your guns out at the same
I've
time.
been looking for certain artifacts. Well,
Okay, that
for some
was
time.
locked.
And an old friend working in the powers has tipped me off about
You
a
can
rather
shoot at the same
promising
time, by the way.
What sort of artifacts?
an ornate stone dais, among other
That
things.
did not
A
work.
big rock, and she won't say why.
Oh well. Where would the suspense be otherwise?
So, anyway, so that's the airwalk. So there are actually two methods. So this is one method. So you just gotta do like how you would normally. So basically, you just gotta jump towards something, but just land a bit like. So you land like a bit short, sort of. So that she stumbles. But whilst you're in the air, you want to hold down whatever button you have mapped to your guns. So I have my right mouse. So as you see, I'm pressing my right mouse now and now. You can shoot at the same time. So, but it doesn't really matter. But I think shooting, yeah. shooting gets Lara's guns out quicker, so you might have a better chance of it working if you use shoot. I don't know. Oh, that did not work. What on earth? But anyway, so that's the airwalk. So that's one method of the airwalk. So you just jump like slightly short of a ledge and also get our guns out at the same time by holding like the gun button down. Anyway, so the next method is by like being like a ledge like this, and then oh crap. So what you do is you like go to the edge of it, like sort of hit. Okay, well, actually, I think this one would be easier. So you go like this. So you see the ledge is there, like right behind Lara. You want to make sure it's like just like this sort of. So like far back enough so that she does the stumble animation. So you jump and then you also hold down the gun button, but like after she's in the air, like while she's in the air. And then you also press backwards so that she like goes back a bit, so she actually does the stumble like this, and then yeah, you got the airwalk. So I'll just show you that again. Yeah, I was gonna say as well, both of these glitches work on anniversary. Actually, all of these glitches work on anniversary. So this glitch works on anniversary, the double jump, airwalk works on anniversary, and also the full cancel works on anniversary. So next, I'm going to show you the double jump. So the double jump is actually kind of like the same as the switch weapons, because you press kind of like the same buttons, sort of, just a bit different. Anyway, so what you do is you jump, switch weapons, grapple, and then jump again. So it's basically the full cancel, but you press the buttons a lot earlier, and you also press the jump afterwards. If you don't press jump, this will happen. So yeah, this can also be used to like stop fall damage, but you know, it doesn't work all the time. But anyway, so that's the double jump. Also, the thing I love about the double jump is you can actually do the airwalk like after it, like this, and you got the airwalk right after. You just gotta do like the same method as before, and then there you go. You can do all your speed running and stuff. So
The video is going to make me sick if you keep on swinging, Lara.
Look away from the screen now.
It's gonna turn into a speedrun tutorial. Oh, I got an airwalk there somehow. But I don't really need one. Oh, great. So, just to recap. So you go to the edge, you jump, hold backwards, and also get Lara's guns out. Like that. And then there you go. You got your airwalk. You can also gain height by like going into sloped objects like this, sort of. I mean, it's kind of sloped, it's not completely sloped, but you know, you can still use it anyway. And like, you can use this here. And then you got the whatever. So that's about it, really. There's not much else to talk about. So those were 3 really useful glitches. The only problem with the double jump really is that you don't get very high with it. Doesn't like get you very high. I just shot by accident, but that happened. So you can actually like double jump into an airwalk, but that's, I mean, that's kind of useful really, you know, you don't have to, it just makes it really, it just makes it a lot easier to get the airwalk. Anyway, so I guess that's about it for this video. So please like and subscribe. comment down below what I should do next. Maybe like Tomb Raider Legends speedrun or something like that. Oh crap, I didn't load it in. Ah! Come on, level, load. Load for me. Really? I thought she went inside of it as well. Oh, now I'm inbounds and I can't stay in. And I have no idea where I'm going. Where am I going? What? What is this? Oh, this is the thingy. Somehow I'm beating the level without being able to see anything. And the cutscene triggers haven't even loaded in yet, so got no annoying cutscenes, so that's good, I guess. Not really, but whatever, the game isn't even loaded in the map yet. But who cares? Because Lara's still here, right? But anyway, so I guess that's it really. So comment down below what I should do next, and I guess I'll just see you on my next video. Also guys, I actually updated my website, added a few more downloads in there, so check them out if you want to. So that's about it for this video, and so please like, subscribe, all that, yeah, comment down below. Or basically just everything that's like that. Anyway, so I'll see you on my next video, and peace out.